Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft 365 for free using the Microsoft Developer Program. I will open a new browser and I will search Microsoft Developer Program. Click on the first link that says Developer Program / Microsoft 365. The Microsoft Developer Program comes with a free instance sandbox. It is a Microsoft 365 E5 developer subscription. That subscription is 90 days and it will be renewed if you use the application within that period. It comes with sample data, but there are options to configure your own data set. On the Microsoft Developer Program page, we're just going to click Join. Once we click Join, it takes us to the sign-in page. This is for a basic Outlook account. If you don't have a Microsoft Outlook account, just click create one, go through the process and create an Outlook account. So I'm just going to put in my Microsoft Outlook account and then I'll click next, put in your password and then just sign in. I'm not going to stay signed in, I'll click no and then just proceed. Join the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. I'm going to select my region, which is the United States, and then the company name I'll just put Activate, and the language will be English. You could put whatever company name you have here. It could be just a test name. In this case I'm going to put Activate, and then accept the terms and conditions of the developer program, and I would like to have notifications. Then click next. On this next page, it is asking what your primary focus will be with this application. You have to select one. I will select custom solution for my own customers and I'll click next. What areas of Microsoft development are you interested in? You can select all of them: Microsoft Teams, Power Platform, select SharePoint, Microsoft Graph, Office add-ins, Outlook, and Power Platform. I'll leave that selected and then I'll click Save. On this setup page, you have to choose if you want an instant sandbox or if you want a configurable sandbox. I'm going to go with the configurable sandbox and then I'll click Next. The username will be the same as my company name, Activate, and then domain name will be the same as the username. Then I'll create a password. Re-enter the password for this account, create your username, create a domain, and then you should make sure that you remember this domain name. So I'll copy it into a text file and just save it. So on this setup page, set up your Microsoft 365 e-configurable sandbox. Select your region or your location and then create a username. It could be any username. Create your domain. So my domain and username, they are the same. Give it a password and then click continue. Add phone number for security. Please enter a valid cell phone number that supports text messages. I'll put in my phone number and then send code. Now enter the code that they just sent and then click setup. Setting up your subscription now. You have a maximum number of 25 user licenses. Click on go to subscription. Put in your developer account password and click sign in. Stay signed in. Do this to reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in. I'm going to say yes and stay signed in. Welcome to Microsoft 365. With Microsoft 365 for work, you can create, organize, and collaborate all in one place. Manage your company profile and settings in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And here are some ways to get started. So you learn how to create, share, and organize files, get access, and all of that. We are all done, and I'll click that check mark. Here on the main page, we're just going to Take a quick tour, create with Microsoft 365, start a project, find the right template and more. So we're just going to take this quick tour. I'll click next. Manage your content, intuitively organize, access and edit your files on the My Content page. Here's the My Content page. All of your apps, learn about your Microsoft 365 apps. So you use the apps and upload your existing content to Microsoft 365 if you want, and download the latest applications. You're going to be using this to download Microsoft 365. Click next. You're all set. We hope you love the all new Microsoft 365 experience. Be sure to tell us what you think. Click done. Here is the fun part. Download the various Microsoft 365 applications. Double click this. That will download the Office setup file. Click Save to save it to Downloads folder. The Office setup.exec file has downloaded. I'll click Show in Folder to see it in my Downloads folder. So here is the Office setup.exec file. I'll just double click on it to install the Office applications. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll click Yes. And then as you can see, the Office application is installing. With this option, you get Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Access, and all of these applications for free using the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. Once the applications download, I'm going to show you how to activate it and I'll test the applications. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 Office download will be done in just a moment. Installation is finished. Your Microsoft 365 and Office products are now completely installed. Give it a moment to wrap it up. I'm going to click close. Now I'll show you how to activate the Microsoft applications using your Microsoft 365 developer account. Come here to the search and then search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Double click on that to open it. Welcome to Office. Sign in to activate. For those of you that have been wondering how can I activate Microsoft 365 applications once you install them, use the Microsoft Developer Program and then create your developer account and use that account to activate Microsoft 365 applications that you install on your computer. After this, all you need to do is to use the applications within the 90-day time window and then it will automatically renew. I'm going to sign in to activate Office with my Microsoft Office developer account. So in this case, I will just click continue, activate Office. I'm just going to click next. Put in your Microsoft developer account password to activate all of the Microsoft 365 application that came with this installation. Click sign in. I want to stay signed in to all of the applications. So I'm just going to click OK, but if you don't want to stay signed in, you can decline and sign in only to this application. Click OK. Hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policy. This may take a moment. Give it a while to activate. We have added your account successfully. You now have access to your organization's apps and services. I'll click done. Your privacy matters. Thanks for using Office. Your organization has given you the option to use optional cloud-backed experiences. To provide optional connected experiences, Office collects required service data. I'm just going to click close. This is Microsoft PowerPoint. It is activated. So now if I come to account, you can see that I'm signed in using my developer account and that Microsoft Office is activated. It is free as long as I use the application within 90 days. Use the Microsoft 365 developer program to get free Office application. And then Microsoft Excel, All of these applications are fully functional. Testing, publisher, everything is functional, and this is how you can get Microsoft 365 for free using the Microsoft 365 developer program. If you like the video, please comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.